So my mom just got me this figure, I believe, is what it's supposed to be, judging from what it has on the box. Now, okay, look at that. So, she comes in 3 pieces here that I gotta put together. How does this go? Oh, okay. Skirt goes over this piece, then next to that. Easy enough. And now there's a stand over here. This is always the
stand
part that's a pain. This goes over this boot. And then onto the stand like, well, it's not easy.
They never are.
Onto the stand like that, I think. If I'm getting this right. There we go. I think I got it. Got it.
Okay, awesome.
Almost. It doesn't really. There we go.
Alright, let me zoom in.
Android 18.
Turn it this way a little bit. Other way. Well, yeah, turn it, rotate it around so we can see it. What's her name?
So cute.
Android 18.
Oh. Cool.
Okay.
Alright,
So pretty.
awesome. Thank you, Damien.
Yay!